Have you ever wondered how perch fish farming is done? Welcome to the fascinating world of perch fish farming, a vibrant industry that has been making waves in the realm of aquaculture. Today we're going to embark on a journey that explores the ins and outs of this exciting venture. Perch fish farming is not just about producing a tasty treat. It's a practice that merges the best of both worlds, the environment and the economy, creating a sustainable and profitable ecosystem. But how, you ask? Well, let's break it down. Perch, a freshwater fish species, is native to many regions across the globe, making it an ideal candidate for farming. By raising perch in controlled environments, we can reduce the strain on their natural habitats, preserving precious ecosystems. At the same time, this farming practice helps to maintain a stable population of perch, ensuring that they don't become overfished in the wild. But perch farming isn't just good for the environment, it's also a boon for the economy. With the growing demand for fish as a protein source, perch farming offers a lucrative opportunity for farmers and investors alike. The fish's fast growth rate, coupled with its popularity in culinary circles, makes it a profitable venture. So perch farming is essentially a win-win situation, a sustainable practice that benefits our planet and pockets. But it doesn't stop there. The beauty of perch farming lies in its accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a budding enthusiast, perch farming is a venture that's open to all. Before we plunge further into the intricacies of perch farming, if you're enjoying this content and want to stay updated with more farming know-how, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now that you understand the importance of perch farming, let's dive deeper into the process. First, we need to understand perch fish better. Now, perch fish, known scientifically as Perca fluviatilis, are captivating creatures. They are freshwater fish native to Europe and northern Asia, but what makes them so appealing to aquaculture enthusiasts? Well, perch fish are robust and adaptable, thriving in a variety of water conditions, from slow-moving rivers to deep lakes. This adaptability makes them ideal candidates for fish farming. They are also known for their vibrant coloration, ranging from green to golden with dark vertical stripes. Perch fish are carnivorous, feeding primarily on smaller fish, insects, and crustaceans. This diet contributes to their unique flavor, making them a popular choice among seafood lovers. A notable characteristic of perch fish is their rapid growth rate. They reach market size in about 1 to 2 years, which is quicker than many other farmed fish species. Knowing about perch fish is essential for successful farming. Their hardiness, adaptability, and rapid growth rate make them a rewarding choice for aquaculture. Setting up your perch fish farm requires careful planning. Now let's dive into the details. The first thing you need to consider is the location of your farm. You want a place that has access to clean water, is free from pollutants, and is well ventilated. Remember, the health of your fish is directly related to the quality of the environment in which they live. Next, we move on to constructing the pond. The size of your pond should be determined based on the number of fish you plan to raise. A good rule of thumb is to allow at least 1 square meter of water surface for every 15 perch. This gives them enough space to grow and thrive. The pond should also be deep enough to maintain a stable temperature. Perch, being a cold water species, prefer temperatures between 14 and 24 degrees Celsius. So you'll need to monitor the water temperature regularly and make adjustments as necessary. In terms of the pond's construction, it's important to make sure the sides and bottom are sealed to prevent leakage. And don't forget about aeration. Perch need oxygen-rich water to survive. Installing an aeration system will help keep the oxygen levels in the water optimal. Now let's talk about the water's pH level. Perch thrive best in slightly alkaline water, with a pH level between 7.5 and 8.5. Regular testing of the water is crucial to maintain this balance. If the pH level strays too far from this range, it can stress the fish and lead to health problems. Finally, consider adding some shelter in the form of rocks or aquatic plants to your pond. These provide hiding places for the fish, which can help reduce stress and promote healthy behavior. By taking the time to carefully plan and set up your perch fish farm, you're creating an environment where your fish can flourish. And remember, a healthy and happy fish means a successful harvest. Now that your farm is set up, it's time to move on to the next step. Stocking your fish is a crucial step in perch fish farming. It's the moment your pond comes alive, full of potential and promise. But it's not as simple as just throwing fish into water. Let's dive deeper. First, you need to source your perch. It's crucial to get them from reliable suppliers who can guarantee healthy, disease-free fish. Remember, quality over quantity is the mantra here. Your fish are the backbone of your operation, and it's worth investing in the best. Once you've secured your fish, it's time to introduce them to their new home. But hold on, it's not a splash and dash affair. The introduction needs to be gradual. The fish need to acclimatize to the new water temperature and conditions. Place the fish, still in their transport bags, into the pond, allowing them to float for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps equalize the temperature inside the bag to that of the pond, ensuring a smooth transition for our aquatic friends. After this temperature acclimatization, gradually add some pond water into the bag. This introduces the fish to the water chemistry of the pond. Once the fish seem comfortable, it's time to gently release them into the pond. Remember, the initial stocking density should be low. Overcrowding can stress the fish and lead to disease outbreaks. It's better to start small and gradually increase the population as your fish farming skills grow. With your fish successfully stocked, you're ready to move on to feeding. Feeding perch fish requires understanding their dietary needs. This is not just about throwing food into the water and calling it a day. It's about knowing what they eat, how often they eat, and ensuring they are getting a balanced diet. So, what do perch fish eat? Perch fish are carnivorous, meaning they primarily consume other fish and small invertebrates. In a farm setting, they are often fed a diet that includes high-quality fish meal, fish oil, and other nutrient-rich ingredients. This ensures they get enough protein and essential nutrients for growth and development. Now let's talk about how often perch fish need to be fed. Frequency of feeding can vary depending on the size and age of the fish. Younger perch, those under a year, should be fed 2 to 3 times a day. As they grow older, you can reduce this to once a day. Remember, overfeeding can lead to waste accumulation in the water, which could harm the fish and the overall health of your farm. Just like us, perch fish need a balanced diet. This means providing them with a variety of nutrients, not just protein. A good diet includes vitamins, minerals, and fats. Some fish farmers also include plant matter in their perch's diet. This can provide additional nutrients and aid in digestion. Maintaining a balanced diet for your perch fish is crucial. It not only contributes to their overall health but also affects their growth rate and reproductive abilities. A well-fed perch is a happy perch, and a happy perch leads to a thriving fish farm. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to feed your perch fish properly. Remember, a good diet is key to a successful perch fish farm. Take note of what your fish eat, how often they eat, and make sure they are getting a balanced diet. Now that you've got the feeding down, it's time to learn about maintaining the farm. Your journey into perch fish farming is just beginning, and there's a lot more to learn. So, stay tuned and let's continue to explore this exciting endeavor together. Maintaining a perch fish farm is a continuous process. It's more than just feeding the fish and watching them grow. It's about ensuring the health and vitality of your aquaculture ecosystem. Water quality is paramount. It's the lifeblood of your farm and the key to healthy perch. Regularly test the water for oxygen levels, pH balance, and temperature. Oxygen is essential for fish survival and growth. A simple dissolved oxygen meter can help you monitor it. The pH balance, which measures how acidic or alkaline the water is, should be neutral. Fluctuations in pH can stress the fish, so keep it stable. And remember, perch prefer cooler waters, so monitoring the temperature is crucial, especially during hotter months. But water quality isn't the only thing to monitor. You need to keep a close eye on your fish's health. Look out for any unusual behavior or signs of disease. Are the fish eating well? Are they swimming normally? A healthy fish is an active fish. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to consult a fish health specialist. And then of course, there's the matter of maintaining the pond itself. Regular checks of the pond's infrastructure can save you from costly repairs down the line. Check the liners for any damage, make sure the aeration system is working properly, and keep an eye out for any signs of predator activity. You'd be surprised at how much damage a raccoon or a heron can do. And don't forget about the aquatic vegetation. While some plants can provide beneficial shade and food for perch, others can overtake the pond and deplete oxygen levels. Regularly trimming or removing these plants helps keep the ecosystem in balance. Maintenance of a perch fish farm is a labor of love. It requires diligence, patience, and a keen eye. But the rewards are worth it. A well-maintained farm leads to healthier fish, better yields, and ultimately a more successful aquaculture venture. With regular maintenance, your perch fish farm will thrive. So roll up your sleeves and let's keep those perch happy and healthy. Harvesting is the final step in perch fish farming. It's a moment of culmination, where all your efforts come to fruition. But when is the right time to harvest your perch fish, and what are the best practices to ensure a healthy and profitable yield? The ideal time to harvest your perch fish depends on the market demand and the size of your fish. Generally, perch fish are ready for harvest when they reach a size of 10 to 12 inches. This usually happens around the 1-year mark, given that you've provided them with proper care and nutrition. Harvesting perch fish is a delicate process that requires careful handling to ensure the fish are not stressed or injured. To begin with, you'll want to lower the water level of your pond or tank. This concentrates the fish, making them easier to catch. Use a seine net to gently scoop out the perch. Remember, it's crucial to handle your fish with care to avoid causing them undue stress or harm. Once the fish are out of the water, they should be immediately placed in a container filled with ice water. This helps to slow down their metabolism and makes them less likely to injure themselves or others. It also helps to preserve their freshness until they reach the market. The harvested fish should then be sorted by size. This ensures consistent quality for your buyers and allows you to identify any fish that may not have grown as expected. Any undersized fish can be returned to the pond for further growth. It's also important to keep records of your harvest. Note down the number of fish harvested, their sizes, and any other relevant details. This information can be invaluable for future planning and improving your farming practices. Finally, remember to clean your pond or tank thoroughly after harvesting. This prepares the environment for the next batch of fish and helps to prevent the spread of diseases. And that's how you farm perch fish from start to finish. From setting up your farm, stocking and feeding your fish, to maintaining your farm and finally, harvesting your fish, each step is crucial in ensuring a successful perch fish farming venture. And remember, it's not just about the profit, it's about the joy of nurturing life and contributing to a sustainable future. Perch fish farming may seem complex, but with these steps, it's achievable. We've covered a lot of ground together in this video, haven't we? Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed, just to ensure we're all on the same page. Our journey started with an introduction to perch fish farming, where we touched on the basics and set the stage for what was to come. We then delved deeper into understanding the perch fish themselves, their characteristics, their habits, their needs. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to venture into perch fish farming. Once we had a firm grasp of the basics, we moved on to the practical side of things, setting up your perch fish farm. We discussed the importance of creating an environment conducive to the growth and sustainability of perch fish. Remember, the success of your fish farm largely depends on how well you're able to replicate the natural habitat of the perch fish. Stocking the fish was our next topic of discussion. We explored the importance of selecting healthy, quality fish and the best practices for introducing them to their new home. Then came feeding the fish, a vital aspect of fish farming that can dramatically impact the health and growth of your perch. Farm maintenance cannot be overlooked. Regular checks and timely interventions are necessary to ensure the well-being of your fish and the smooth running of your farm. And finally, we talked about the moment you've been working towards, harvesting your perch fish. We shared tips on how to know when your fish are ready for harvest and the best ways to go about it. Let's not forget the benefits of perch fish farming. Apart from being a sustainable and profitable venture, it's also a rewarding experience that allows you to contribute positively to the environment and the economy. As we wrap up, I'd like to remind you that every successful perch fish farmer started somewhere. They started as beginners, just like you, so why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more farming know-how, remember to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly updating our content with new and informative videos to help you on your farming journey. Remember, every successful perch fish farmer started as a beginner, so why not give it a try?